20 points. -5.
Oh
First
shit!
you-
Good one.
So Abhinav and Rubina, welcome to the ultimate BB quiz. This is a challenge that we have put every contestant through this year. First question. We all love Salman Khan as the host of Bigg Boss, and he's been doing it for so many years. Considering Bigg Boss 14 as well as a season, although it's yet to start, how many years has Salman Khan been hosting the show?
I don't think वाला नहीं चलेगा. Negative marking
अच्छा
लगेगा.
सुनो, precise answer चाहिए या एक ऊपर एक नीचे भी हो सकता है?
नहीं,
एकदम.
negative marking.
वही वाला ही चाहिए.
I think pass.
Pass?
Yeah.
Are you sure? But
Because
what would you have answered if you answered?
11 seasons.
I think you should just answer.
11 seasons.
Okay, I'll give you 10.
See, 11 seasons.
राजा चौधरी ने किसी के बेड पे ना पानी गिराया था. किसके बेड पे गिराया था?
Pass.
Pass.
संभावना सेठ के बेड पे पानी गिराया था.
Hmm.
Which season of Bigg Boss was hosted by Big B, which is Amitabh Bachchan?
First season. The answer is first season.
Shahrukh Khan or Big B.
-5.
Oh
First
shit!
was Arshad Warsi. Second was Shilpa Shetty. Third was Amitabh Bachchan. And from fourth onwards, it's been Salman sir.
Oh, man.
So,
Okay.
fourth question is, who was the winner of Bigg Boss 10? And the hint is that it was the first commoner to win.
Manveer.
Are you going for a normal one or are you going for double trouble?
नहीं, normal one.
Double trouble,
But
double.
You have to take double trouble twice, in the game whenever.
हाँ, अभी जब when we are very sure.
फिर यही है मान ये दूसरा.
So okay, double trouble. It's Manveer.
Manveer.
20 points.
Thank you, you're sweet, huh? It's just
I'm
that you have to
sorry.
read between the lines.
तुम्हारे जैसे examiner होने चाहिए.
Which contestant, जो श्रीशांत वाला सीजन था ना, दीपिका कक्कर श्रीशांत वाला, they were the finalists. But in the top 5 contestant में से कोई एक था जिसने ना वो बैग लेके वो निकल गया था. He walked out with a cash prize. They give it.
the singer, folk कुछ वो था. He was
Yes.
from. यार नाम नहीं पता. Points
Just
दे दो,
think
नाम
a
नहीं
little
पता.
bit. I think you might get it.
यार नाम नहीं पता. पता है this we kind of know because सृष्टि थी ना उस वाले season में.
Okay, I'll give you 5 points because I think you guys are trying really hard and trying
Okay.
really well. Deepak Thakur.
Oh yeah.
correct,
Yeah.
correct.
Okay.
There was one season, I think you can go for a double trouble here, it's very easy. There was one season that Salman Khan co-hosted the season with somebody else. Who was that somebody else he co-hosted the season with?
Farah Khan.
No, not like Farah Khan hosted a particular segment of the show, Bigg Boss 8 ka. But I'm talking about, because I understand that it's a little bit of tricky.
हाँ.
But इन दोनों ने साथ में host किया है. Farah Khan and Salman Khan never hosted it together.
That's Sanjay na?
Are you going for double trouble or you're like,
Double trouble, हाँ संजय that double trouble.
I think 20 points.
Good one.
In the 9th season of Bigg Boss, I walked in with my girlfriend. So it's a who am I? But I had to make a voluntary exit on the 26th day because of a family mishap. उनके घर पे किसी का देहांत हो गया था.
Keith.
Yes.
Keith Sikira.
Yes, it is Keith. 10 points. Wow. Difficult question का answer दे दिया. Wow. Okay, this Bigg Boss 11 contestant also hosted a show which used to come after Bigg Boss on Voot called The Big Buzz.
Priyank something.
Yes, my God, Priyank Sharma. Wow, Rubina.
That's the perk of being in the same network, so you know who's inside.
I am telling you. Which wildcard contestant has been a winner on Bigg Boss?
Pravesh Rana.
I'm not saying anything.
अरे
Oh,
season
Gulati. Gautam Gulati. चल
Okay,
-5 ही जाएगा.
हाँ?
-5. It's neither Pravesh Rana nor Gautam. Actually, it's a trick question. No wildcard ever won the show.
हाँ, exactly. वही तो
I
मैं
thought
वही
with
तो
your
मैं
reaction that you might say nobody. Last
Hey.
question. Which contestant on Bigg Boss coined the famous phrase "Awam dekh rahi hai"?
Arshi Khan.
Yes, it is Arshi Khan.
See,
I
it
got
had to
better
be
score.
somebody with a Urdu background, so it was like.
Listen, but I think you guys have scored really well. I think I have helped you guys enough that you guys have got the highest scores till now. I'm not even kidding. Can you believe that?
जिसमें से सिर्फ 40 मैंने जीते हैं.
Thank you.